Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Divya and I am vlogging today because I think there's a lot that we guys need to catch up on. Yes, I'm posting the travel vlogs. If you guys don't know, I went on a solo birthday Europe trip. Yes, that's the best trip of my life. I've just returned like last week. I'm currently posting all my vlogs from that trip, so make sure you're following them. And if you're not following me on Instagram, I think you should because I posted stories every day. But I did not edit the content that I'm doing now, and I'm also thinking of posting one separate video on YouTube where I share all my experiences, good and bad both. But I really want to do a sit down video sharing my experiences because it was the best trip of my life, and I have so many stories that I really want to sit and share. So I'm going to be doing that really soon, but for this video I had something special to share and I'm trying to process that. So I thought, I don't know, I was finding it difficult to process. So I thought if I'll share the news with you guys and I sit and talk it out, I'll feel better. So that's what I'm doing here in this video. Whew, I don't know. I don't know how to even say this, but I think it's time I move back to India. Whew, yes, I am moving back to India, and I don't know how to process this because I knew this day would come, but it's already here and I'm freaking out about it. I have 10 days. I have to pack my entire life and move back to India. I know you'll ask that this is so sudden and why I made such a big decision. Why am I doing this? I know you're gonna ask me, but honestly, this is not really my decision. Like, yes, I have been someone who's a big time family person and I knew that I am gonna go back to India once my visa expire, but I didn't want to go back this early. I've been in the UK for last 2.5 years. I came in September 2023 and I have my visa till December this year. Okay, so I have time here till December, but my family wants me back. They're like, done with your UK time, done with your fun time, you're 26. They're like, come back home now, do something with your life, get settled, and all of those things you might relate. वो शादी की चीजें आनी शुरू हो गई है मेरे सर पे. Like, my parents have started sending me rishtas every day and like, oh, you should meet people, you should do that. So there's like so many of those reasons that my family want me back, and I just couldn't keep fighting it. Like, literally every month telling them why I want to stay here was getting a lot to my head, you know. And honestly, I also think that my time in Liverpool is sort of done. Like, everything that I wanted to do in my abroad life, I've done it, and like I have achieved everything that I wanted here. I have lived my dream life here, and now I think my purpose here is actually done. And there are some things in life that I want to look forward to, and for those things I feel like moving back to India would be the best decision. But still, even while saying this, I'm shivering. Like, literally my heartbeat is so fast right now because I'm nervous about like just saying goodbye to this city, this place which has been my home for the last 2.5 years. You know, I absolutely love this apartment. This is like my dream place and I love my life here. So just wrapping that up and like moving back from where I started is just a very big move, and I'm feeling very nervous about it. I don't know. क्या बोलूँ मैं? मुझे honestly इतना समझ नहीं आ रहा like how to feel about it. In my head, I have both positive and negative points about moving back to India. So that's why like I'm not able to reach a conclusion about how to feel, because one side I feel all the negative situations are there, the traffic there, the pollution there, people's mindset and all of that. But on the positive side, my family, my dog, food, my car, like I have the positive parts also, but the negative also. So that's why in my head it's like a whole confusion, and I feel like my head can blast any moment if I think about it. It's been a week since I've been back, but since last 1 week I've only been in bed not doing anything. God, traveling for 21 days alone by yourself is not easy, okay? It was exhausting AF, and I came back and I was just done with life. I was in bed for the last 4 days, sleeping, waking, sleeping, just that. And now I've come back to life and I have 10 days to pack my life here and move back to India. Imagine, I have to arrange packing boxes, I have to pack everything, I have to decide what to take, what not to take, say goodbye to people. Oh my god, like I've told a few of my friends that I'm moving back and they've been so shocked and they all are like, oh please don't go, and I'm like, I don't wanna go, like I don't wanna go. But I have no other option and it's just been sad. Like I'm meeting my friend Emily. I met her twice, like even though I wasn't getting out of my bed, but I met her twice because I'll miss her. I'll miss this life. I'll miss my life in Liverpool, and that's just what I've been feeling. But today I was like, I need to get up. I need to start figuring out because 10 days will go like and I need to sort everything. Today is 14th of April and my flight is on 25th of April. So that's like literally 10-11 days. And I need to figure out a lot. सबसे बड़ी tension मेरी इस time पे है where to get cardboard boxes from. So I need to figure that out first and then pack my life. But today I think I'm just gonna sit down, take this moment in, take my life in. I'm having my hot chocolate right now, sip that, and just chill because soon I'm gonna be saying goodbye to this apartment, goodbye to this life. I'm also gonna be calling the Cargo Force people who are gonna help me send all of my stuff from here to India, which is also not gonna be easy because I'm one of those people जिसने अपना पूरा घर बसा रखा है यहाँ पे, ठीक है? Like literally I have so much stuff than anybody else I know here, so it would be a lot to send this stuff back to India. And on that note, it reminds me that I think I haven't shown you my apartment on my YouTube. I don't think I have. I did a series on my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I did a series there while I was moving in. But now, before I move out, I think I should give you an apartment tour. But before that, give me 5 minutes. Let me clean my apartment a little bit and then I'll give you a tour. I'm gonna give you an apartment tour now, but I'm giving you a disclaimer already that it's not at its 100%. Usually my apartment is well organized and clean, but I've just got back from a trip. I have not unpacked my luggage and I have a few cardboard boxes here and there, so ignore that. But let me give you a tour now. So this is where you enter from, and then as soon as you get in, on the right I have my bed. Let me do 0.5. Yeah, on my right I have my bed. And I use the luggage as my side table here. I've hung some of my stuff there. Then I have my fan. I am one of those people who cannot live without a fan. So that's a mandatory there. That's my luggage, which I've not unpacked. Then I have some cardboard boxes here, which my friend Emily got for me from Primark. So thank you, Emily. She got me 2-3 boxes. So I've started packing. But I've got some cute posters there from Temu. A few more posters here because I like waking up to a good view. Like I like having good things around me, pretty things around me. So I have got some posters here as well. I really like this daily affirmation poster because it says all the positive things that I read out loud in the morning. I've got some family pictures there, a thank you note from Primark. But yeah, I love reading these affirmations in the morning because that just makes my day start on a very positive note. So I love those affirmations. And then on the right, I have my cupboard. I have all my clothes in it. Full. I'm not gonna show you more. These are the stickers from the Spanish language exchange I attend. I just put my stickers back here whenever I'm back, but ignore that. And here I have my chest of drawers next to my shoes. Here I keep all the things that I need if I'm leaving. Like I drop my keys here, and then I have my cough syrup, which I need very often, and my change here. And this is actually not really a book, it's a thing to keep stuff in, so that's there. I have a few of my bags here, one of my most used bags, a poster, my ID from when I used to work at Primark, but that's there. But then this is just a chest of drawer with all my things here, phone cases, sunglasses and all of that. I have my night suits here, I have my garments here, my electronics there. This is just a chest of drawer for all those things. Here I have my living room, but before my living room on the left I have my washroom. I have a sliding door here for the washroom, so that's great. But ignore my laundry, dirty laundry, ignore. But this is the main washroom. I have my toilet seat, my sink and my shower, all the basic things. And yes, before you call me out, I know I have a lot of things here, a lot, but I am just a girl, okay, and I need my things. So this is not even half of the things that I usually have, but yeah, this is all I have here. And I've tried to hide the wall by putting some posters on, which my friends have complimented me on by saying that if we are peeing in your washroom, we are still entertained because we are standing and reading such positive quotes. Like all of these have such positive messages written on it. So they're like, we are always entertained in your washroom as well. But that's what I want. But when we get out of the washroom, we have this tapestry here, and I got it from my home back in India. I had this back in my room as well, and I wanted something that would make me feel like home. So I got this tapestry here, and I've used such pretty leaves to make it more aesthetic. But when we get to the left, that's where we have my main living room. Are you ready? Are you ready? And the best part of this apartment, the best part about this apartment is the view, which I'm going to show you now. So yeah. So this is my all-in-one living room where I have my kitchen here, my sitting area there where I sit and read. Then I have my tripod lying here because I've been recording for you. I have my desk set up here, my aesthetic desk set up. I love this desk so much because I get the perfect view from here. So just sitting here and working, like I've been editing the YouTube video, the one that I'm filming right now. I've also been editing on my iPad, so that's happening there. But I get the best view from my apartment. This is the main reason why I actually love my living room so much, because I don't feel the need to step out of my house so much. Like, this place makes me feel so comfortable. I make my hot chocolate, I sit here, I work, and it gives me a cafe feel, and I just end up saving money on the hot chocolate. So I love this place. But moving on, here I have my setup, as you can see, aesthetic, which I use as my background for my YouTube videos. I've got all of these posters from Temu, and yeah, the TV I've received with the apartment itself. Then I have a chest of drawers here. It has all my jewelry, my makeup, my hair products, all of that. Tell me how much you love my apartment, because it's pretty. For my kitchen, it's not really that big, but I still manage because I don't really cook much. I have this pretty shelf where I keep all of my cute decor. I collect shot glasses from every place I go. So I have them here. Then I have a few other decor and my books here, which I absolutely like. And then moving on, here I have my microwave, my cupboards where I keep all my food items. You don't really need to see, ignore that, and some stuff here, so let that be. But I have a pretty cute mug collection here. You really need to see this. I am a mug puglu and I collect cute mugs anytime I see one, so I have a lot of them. Ignore what's happening in my sink, don't see that. But here I have all my cute fridge magnets. Like, every place I go to, I collect a fridge magnet. Even from my Europe trip, I have bought 32 fridge magnets, and I'm not kidding. I'll show you those later. But I've bought 32 fridge magnets because I am a fridge magnet puglu. But the favorite one out of all of them is this one, because it's Golgappe. How cute is this? And I've got one dosa as well, but this is still the cutest one I have. Yeah, this is my fridge magnet situation. My kettle, my spray for my back pain. Meko constantly back pain rehta hai, so for that, my spray, some pistachios, my vitamins here, my collagen powder, my Ganeshi, my Hanumanji, of course. So I have all of this set up here. And I like this cute tiny kitchen. But one funny fact I'll show you about my kitchen that my friends laugh on is that I use my oven as a storage space, because I don't really use this oven. I don't cook much, I don't bake much, so this oven was pretty useless to me. But I'm using it to keep all my chakna and my pyaz and namkeen and everything. So this is what my friends find really funny. But moving on, I have this cute Tedu here, which has been with me for last 2 years now. I got this from my student accommodation, and it's just been with me, and yeah, my sathi in all my crimes. But whatever. I'm feeling bad that I'll have to give it away now because I can't take it back with me to India. I wish I could, but I can't, so I'll have to leave it here. But the love of my life, the first love of my life. Moving here, I have my couch situation. I have a few pretty decor on the wall. I got all of these from Temu. Most of the decor that you see in my room is from Temu. I got this from the Christmas market, and then that printout from London, and then this, somebody gave it to me, so it's here as a gift. Then I have this cute travel box here, and here. I put all my tickets and my travels and my postcards. Memory box, I have all of those things here. But a pretty comfy couch. And then this. Let me show you the proper view from my window. Wait. Like, can you believe it? This is what I look at every day. I love this view so much. Like, this is what I really wanted. Anytime I used to think about having an apartment, I wanted the biggest window, the biggest balcony. I'm a sucker for views and balcony, and this is exactly what I wanted and exactly what I got. So I've been grateful, and now I'm feeling more bad that I'm gonna leave this place soon. Like, not even soon, like literally in 10 days I'm leaving this place. Oh, I want to sit and cry about it for a while. I think I need a moment to cry. But I don't know, yaar. Aansu bhi nahi aa rahe mere. Like, I'm sad, but I'm not sad. Like, I know I'm not gonna live this life again. I'm not gonna be here again. But at the same time, I'm excited about the new chapter in my life, about moving on in life and growing up. I'm excited about that. But not to be this young again, not to have this alone, independent life. Oh. हेलो
हाय अभी जा रहा हूँ बस पकड़ने.
बस मैं भी पकड़ने वाली हूँ फ्लाइट अपनी वापसी की इंडिया की.
कब का है तेरा जाने का?
I'm leaving on 25th. 10 दिन.
पारुल आने से पहले चली जाएगी.
अब क्या करूँ, हो चुकी है मेरी.
26 को है.
26 को आ रही हो? मुझे डेट ही नहीं पता थी. मेरे को नहीं पता पारुल कब आ रही है.
तो मुझे 5 मिनट देगी, मैंने भाग के जा रहा हूँ बस पकड़ने.
ठीक है. ओके पकड़ ली. बस पकड़नी थी इसको. बट ये कॉल बैक करेगा later. But anyway, I was calling my friend to tell him that I'm leaving and that I'm back. मैंने एक हफ्ते से किसी को इतना बताया भी नहीं है that I'm back. I met like 2-3 friends of mine, but then I did not tell everybody that I'm back in Liverpool. So I called him, but अभी वो busy है, so I'm gonna plan and maybe see him before I leave. ऐसा बुरा लग रहा है यार मुझे कि मुझे नहीं पता when I'm gonna see these people ever again. Like, people I've spent the last 2 years of my life with. I don't know if I'm ever gonna see them again. And like, क्यों मैं ऐसे बीटी में होती जा रही हूँ यार. जितना दिन पास आता जा रहा है उतना मैं ऐसे रो रही हूँ. मेरे को लग रहा है ये YouTube वीडियो मैंने स्टार्ट ही आज ऐसे रोने के लिए करी है. Because since I've started I'm just ranting and crying. But what do I do? Understand the emotions I'm going through. I went to a grocery store next to my house to get something, and I got an idea to ask them if they have boxes which they don't use. And I got some boxes. I got like 4 or 5 boxes. All you need to do is ask. अगर तुम्हारे पास कुछ नहीं है, बस एक पूछने से ही तुम्हें वो चीज़ मिल सकती है. So बस मैंने randomly पूछा और मुझे 4 गत्ते के boxes मिल गए हैं. Happy. I'm going back to my house, and also Aman is coming to see me. He called me that he wants to see me and I'm not going out anymore. So he's coming after work to see me. और मैं अंदर जा रही हूँ और हवा मुझे तोड़ रही है. अरे भाई. Thank you so much. Also vlogging today. I'm vlogging my leaving the apartment. But guys, Aman is here. दिख नहीं रहा अगर ये रहा. Ui. Thank you. Thank you so much.
तो क्या प्लान है फिर?
कोई प्लान नहीं है अभी. फ्लाइट टिकट करा लिया, बट अभी पैकिंग स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ. अभी कोरियर फिगर आउट करना है वो सब.
तो 10 दिन बाद मैं आ रही हूँ.
तो 4 दिन भी अगर फालतू होती इंडिया में ना तो मैं मिल लेती.
26th मॉर्निंग आ रही हूँ मैं.
तो दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट पे ही हो. एक तू आ रही होगी और ये जा रही होगी.
अगर सेम टाइम है तो मिल सकते हैं.
26 लैंड कर जाऊंगी मैनचेस्टर सुबह 6 बजे.
हाँ नहीं फिर तो अलग हो गई. वरना मैं दिल्ली के एयरपोर्ट पे भी आ जाती हूँ. मैं पास ही रहती हूँ, इतना दूर नहीं रहती हूँ. बट वो भी नहीं हो पाएगा.
तुम कैसे?
तो हमारा अब अगली बार मिलना हमें नहीं पता पारुल कब होगा.
नहीं मिलेंगे.
देखते हैं.
गुड़गांव
गुड़गांव
में मिलेंगे.
में मिलेंगे. यस.
साइबर सिटी में मिलेंगे.
साइबर सिटी में मिलेंगे. गैलेरिया मिलेंगे. मेरे अड्डे पे मिलेंगे. Good evening guys, it's 16th April today, currently 4 p.m, almost 4 p.m, and I just thought I'll update you about what I'm doing in life right now. I know I did not vlog yesterday because I did not really do much. I just went out to get some of my hair products. Like, I wanted to stock up. I use 5-6 different type of products on my hair literally for every shower. It's insane. So I just had to go and get all of that stuff, restock on it. So I went out for that, and I also sat in a park for like an hour. It was such a good weather yesterday, so I just wanted to sit in. I got myself a coffee and I was just sitting there listening to music, soaking in the moment. So that's all I did yesterday. But then today I have a better day planned today. I am heading out to meet my friend Emily, who I was talking about in the video. Today we have planned to head out to Canals. There's this some place where she stays, and she was telling me about it, that it's an amazing place, and I was like, I do want to see it before I go. So today we are doing that. I am all ready, like almost all ready, but there's still some time before I leave. Emily is out right now. I'm gonna leave in like another half an hour or 40 minutes, but before that I still have got some time to pass. So I'm thinking I'm gonna just find stuff in my apartment which I can give away, like which I don't need to take with me to India. So I just need to get rid of all those stuff. So why not just do that? Also, Emily is going to be staying over tonight, which I'm really excited for. Once we are done going out, we'll be chill. Like, the plan is to chill at the canals for a while. We'll get something to eat, something to drink, and we'll chill out for a while. Then she's gonna come back over with me, and we're gonna do a girls' night. We're gonna order food again, probably, but whatever. We're gonna do movies and whatever, talking session. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. I haven't done a girls' sleepover in a really long time. I know I've just come back from a trip and I was staying with strangers there, but I have not done a proper girls' night out sort of a scene. I don't think we'll be going out at the night. I don't think so. I'll let you know if the plan changes, but mostly we're gonna be indoors, and I'm very excited for it. But for now, I'm gonna find things like this blanket here. It's not needed anymore. There's this carpet that's not needed anymore. This teddy needs to go. Some of these decorations needs to go. So I'm just gonna take off all the extra things that I don't need anymore, and I'm gonna probably keep them in the bin room downstairs. Like, in my building there's a bin room, and you can, in one corner, you can keep all the things that you don't want anymore, and if anybody else likes it, they can pick it up from there. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm also gonna drop a message in the group chat, building group chat, saying if anybody wants to pick these things up, you're more than welcome to. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm gonna go and meet Emily now. I'm all ready, and it's like 40 minutes away. I need to walk to the bus stop, take a bus, and then meet Emily. Hello, hello. How are you? Oh, I'm alive. You wanna say hi to my vlog?
Hello.
I'm vlogging today.
Hello.
Finally here, reunited with Emily. I've been talking about you in my vlog.
Aww.
I told them that I've met you twice and not a lot of people in the last 1 week. So they know how special you are.
Really?
But yes, I am with Emily, and now I don't know where we're going. She's the one taking me.
Yeah.
I don't know where.
It's gonna be great.
She could kidnap me right now for all I know. But yeah, that's the plan.
That is the plan. Right, I have a question to ask you though.
Yeah.
Do you mind, do you want to run to Lidl to get us some seeds to feed these animals?
Yeah, I do want to get something to eat as well, like
Yeah.
something, some munching.
Munchies.
We are going to the Lidl now. Emily wants to get some seeds for the dogs.
Yes.
And I am gonna get something to munch on, even though I've eaten something before coming here. But I still need something to drink, as I can't be
There are more
without a
drink
drink.
options in the corn shop, like, but we will pass it on the way down.
It's fine. I think Lidl will have more options
Maybe.
than a
but we won't be
corner shop.
cold. If
Let's
we've got,
see.
like, single drinks, they'll probably
Let's see
be
if we are
on
able
the
to
shop.
find something here.
Maybe. There'll be definitely some drinks.
Something.
Oh, oops. Okay. This stuff's like a killer.
Can I be on the video?
Yeah? Do you want to be?
Yes,
you
no.
wanna say
My name's called Joe, innit?
hi? Oh, nice to meet you, Joe.
I'm at
Yes,
Lidl. So I'm gonna get some chocolate stuff, innit?
What's your favorite one? Which one do you like the most? This? Same.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
I didn't even know that about you.
No, really. I got 3 of them yesterday, so I ate 3 in one go. Really.
Be on YouTube.
Yes, you're gonna be on
What's your
YouTube.
account?
It's The Beautiful Imperfection. Do you have a YouTube? You do? What's your YouTube? I'll add your YouTube here.
I don't make videos. I just got on YouTube Shorts.
But then this will be a motivation to post. Once you see yourself in a video, then you'll be able to shoot it more. Do you want to tell my viewers what's your YouTube name?
Well, it's mostly just like Joe.
Just Joe? Okay, I'm gonna try and find you and I'm gonna add your YouTube here. But this should be your motivation to start posting again.
Everyone like this video, innit?
He's so cute.
Like this video.
Oh, see now you have to because Joe has said it, so now you have to like this video. But nice meeting you. Oh, see ya. That was so cute. I'm looking for roasted peanuts. These are like coated peanuts. I don't want this. This is Thai sweet. I don't want Thai sweet.
It's got a bunch in.
Nah, not pistachio. Just
Honey roast peanut.
not honey. The spicy one. It's like the
Oh, spicy.
yeah. I don't know if it's this one, Southern BBQ. How do you think it's gonna be a little?
I don't think they're going to be spicy. To
No,
be honest.
right? Yeah.
They're maybe a bit tangy.
Nah,
Not like fun.
Changi is not what we're looking for. Oh, maybe I can have cashew, roasted salted cashew nuts. Yeah, 7.5 cashew.
I think it's Thai sweet chili. I mean, they're not spicy. They'll be dead sweet, but they're nice.
Nah. This is what I want for munching, and I need something to drink now.
And the drink.
Let's.
Like milk based drinks. And that way.
Emily knows me so well. She's like, I just said I need a drink, and then people might think that, oh, she's talking about alcohol. But Emily's like, oh, the milk-based drinks are that size. She's like, she knows when I say that I want a drink, it means I want something chocolatey.
I remember.
Yes.
I will say that.
I didn't know Lidl has all of these things as well.
Yes, you know, smaller.
Yeah, this is like so massive. Guys, give me a minute to find chocolate milk somewhere. I don't think they have chocolate milk here, the one that we're looking for. Let's just pay for these and then go to the corner shop
Yeah.
and get milk from there.
Yeah, they'll have smaller packs.
Yeah. They have like really huge bottles here. Like I really don't want a big bottle. I don't want to carry it around. So we're gonna go to a corner shop.
Is,
I've never been here before.
you know, apparently it takes approximately 7.5 to 12.5 days to walk the entirety of the canal.
Whoa. No, I didn't know that. But this is pretty. Not prettier than you, of course. But less pretty. But still pretty.
The swans.
Where are we gonna sit?
I usually sit not this one, but the next one down.
Okay.
I aim to sit down.
Okay.
But the next one's like.
I used to go to Sefton Park, and for the sole reason because I just like sitting by the water and like feeding the ducks and just peaceful nature. I enjoy that. Like less people. I hate when I went to Sefton and there's like a lot of people, kids playing. I hate it. I'm like, why does it look like a yeah? Like if I come to this place in the evening, like if I come here at night or in the evening, I'll be very scared. Like it looks a little haunted, to be very honest. Like
It might be haunted.
could be.
There's a dock you can sit on the water
You wanna sit on the water?
if you'd like to.
Yeah. I like any place that's closer to the water.
Be careful you don't drop the drink between the cracks of the boards.
You should be worried that I don't drop you in the water, Miss Emily.
Oh my god, Queen. What are you, is this a sacrifice or have you just decided
See,
it's my time
it's just
now?
my last few days here. I can do anything just for fun, you know?
They're not gonna find you.
Yeah, nobody's gonna find me. I'm just gonna take a flight and run back.
Innit?
Yeah, and I'll just take your phone away as well, so you don't have any proof.
You just gonna throw my phone to the bottom of the canal.
So nice and so peaceful.
It's kind of fun too, but it is beautiful.
I'm so jealous that this place is like literally next to your house, Emily. Like even though I live next to the dogs, so I'm happy about that. But dogs is more of a touristy place. But this it doesn't have any people here, so like I like that.
Oh,
Good job, Emily. Good job. She's feeding pigeons. Ooh, so nice. This is where we are. Oh, I can see a train going from there.
Oh, you can feel them when you're walking up that way, like rumble on the floor.
But this is where we are now. This is where we're gonna sit and chill and talk. Yeah?
See the old tobacco warehouse?
Yeah.
Have you seen that before? You know,
So the warehouse on my back, if you can see, it looks scary because it's under construction, right?
Yes.
It looks
Also,
it looks like
it's
a
abandoned.
yeah, that's what I was
Yeah.
gonna say. It looked like an
Desolate,
abandoned
yeah.
building.
They're turning it into flats, which is sad.
Get one.
It's sad. Yeah, but it's just awful because they're going to be really expensive because they're by town, and
It won't be
It's
that
a
expensive for
historical
Emily though.
building.
Emily, do you not know Emily's the queen?
Did you not know?
Nothing is expensive for her. So anyway, we're gonna sit and chill here for a while, and I'm gonna catch up with you later. Oh, we had to get up from this spot because it started raining, and at first we thought that it might stop in like a few minutes, but now it's just getting more and more, so we're just picking up. Yeah, the weather app says that now it's gonna rain, so we couldn't stay here for longer than 15 minutes, I would say.
in it, like it's depressing. Like,
Yeah, like we fucking walked more than 15 minutes to get here. We walked so much to get here, but now we are walking back, and we are going back to my place. And although, one update, Emily has sort of decided not to stay over. I told my vlog that he was gonna stay over today, but she's thinking she might not. Like, it's not a confirm. Which way? Oops, that way. I was going wrong. But yeah, it's not confirmed yet. She's gonna decide later. But for now, we are going back to my place. Oh, where are we going, Emily? Which way? Bitch, I thought you were taking me there, and I'm like, where are you taking me? Dude, I knew.
not going
I
home.
I was doubtful that you have something evil planned.
I'll hide you in my house.
Sure, I anyway want your mom to adopt me so that I can live in the UK.
She would. She'd be best.
I'm asking Emily to adopt me, her mom to adopt me so that I can get to live in the UK for longer.
Yeah.
But nothing against you, mom.
Well,
I love you, mom. She'll be like, what?
Never see you again. No, we'll fly
No.
over to.
But as I was saying, we are heading back to my place now because it started raining, and yeah, I'm gonna keep my camera in, find a bus and go somewhere. Which way? This way? Yeah. Current update, it is 6:55 p.m. right now, and on Google Maps it says that it's gonna take us 45 minutes walk. Okay, 45 minutes walk back to my place. But according to Emily, she thinks it's gonna take us much less. What's your prediction? How long?
Between 25 and 30 minutes.
No way, no way. She
Yes,
says
sir.
25 minutes. Let's see. I'll tell you what time. 25 to 30. Okay, 30 is the last. Not even 31 and not even 32. Okay, but I'm gonna tell you what time we reach.
Okay, yeah.
And luckily, it's not raining a lot. Like, it's just drizzling a little bit. But we're managing. We're gonna walk. We're gonna lose weight.
Yeah, and you won't have to worry about that extra, like, kilo.
I was telling her I've gained like 1 kg. But I'm gonna lose that 1 kg
Right now.
right now. Today itself.
And then we're going to eat it again later in Papa
Yeah, and then she's planning to order a pizza. Like, we are planning to lose weight while walking, and then we are also planning to order a pizza later. How much time do we have left, Emily?
5 to 10
20 minutes are done. It's
5 to 10 minutes left.
7:15. 20 minutes are done, and she thinks we're gonna reach home in 5 to 10 minutes. Not happening. At any cost. Not happening. I know where I live. I know how far we were from my place. I know how long it took me to reach where you were. So look at their face. Look at their face. Mountain Dew and orange juice. Cheers. We are back in my apartment. Finally, the lights are too bad in this apartment, so sorry about how we are looking. But we are back. We are chilling. We always look gorgeous. We're two beautiful, beautiful babes. But we are back. But we are back in my apartment now, and I am really looking forward to this, to just sit and chill and
Me too.
to just sit and chill and talk about life in general and how much I'm gonna miss her I'm gonna miss her so much. You're coming to India for my wedding, you know that, right?
Yeah. I was the one who said that. You were like,
Yeah.
you didn't think that I would. You were
No.
like, are you gonna come all the way to India? And I was like,
Yeah, I was not sure. She said it. She's like, oh, I'll come to India for your wedding. And I was like, will you?
Yeah.
But yeah, she will.
Yeah, I
and now I have a proof, a video
come
proof
anywhere.
that I'm gonna send you
hold
that
me
she's
to it,
agreed.
write a contract.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make her sign a contract
Yeah.
today that she's gonna be in India for my wedding, and vlogs are gonna be up on my channel, so you're gonna see her on my wedding. That's a proof. This is a proof right now, okay? But but except that, right now we're just gonna chill, play some music. I'm not playing that right now for copyright issues. I can't play the music.
Oh, yeah.
But we're listening to music, chilling, and catching up. That's
Imagine I got you done for copyright.
Don't hold that for me, please.
I'm
No.
not joking. We're gonna get pizza and we're
Yeah.
we're gonna fucking chill. We're just gonna chill. We're just gonna have a fucking chill, aren't we? Just indoor voices.
Okay. Miss us. Bye.
You understand this one?
Emily is in charge of the music, so
For now.
good job though.
For now.
Good job. She's like, for now, and then I'll take over. So, yes.
He's a 10 plus 10, not enough. Vision. Do you fancy watching something or do you want to just chat?
We can watch something. I don't mind.
It's up to you. What do you watch on?
Anything you want.
I mean, like, what are you watching it on? Like, Netflix?
Got you. We got you. The food is finally here. I've got myself a garden party pizza. That's what it's called, but it's basically just a vegetarian pizza. And I have got some garlic sticks, and I'm so looking forward to eat now because I'm just starving, and so is Emily. So we're gonna eat pizza. Let me give you a review how it is. Wait. Okay, Emily.
Is it good? I'm glad you like that.
Yeah.
God, isn't the dough like
It's
that?
good. Yes.
Wish I had an easy job like you have.
You have the easiest job on earth. You smoke all day.
The cab is almost here. खुश रहो, फूलो फलो. मेरा आशीर्वाद तुम्हारे साथ है. मैं आशीर्वाद दे रही हूँ. Oh, you want me to open the door for you as well?
I didn't know. I was
No, sure, ma'am, sure.
I'll text you.
Yeah, please do. Okay, go home safely. I'll see you soon. Good night. Love you. Mwah. Bye. Bye bye.